Welcome back to the Freedom Years Project. Today, we're diving into something powerful: how to build wealth from scratch, even if you're starting at zero. Whether you're just entering the workforce, recovering from debt, or planning a fresh financial start, this step-by-step guide will give you a clear roadmap to build lasting wealth. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a free downloadable wealth starter blueprint you can use to track your progress. Here's the truth. Building wealth isn't about winning the lottery or having a huge salary. It's about following the right system, consistently over time. If you've ever thought, "It's too late for me," or "I don't make enough to get ahead," this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Mindset reset. Believe you can build wealth. The very first step isn't financial, it's psychological. Wealth starts in the mind. If you believe building wealth is only for the rich, you'll sabotage yourself before you even begin. Instead, adopt what's called a growth money mindset. This means seeing money as a tool, not just survival. Believing your income potential can expand. And knowing small, consistent actions compound into big results. Remember, the wealthy aren't always the smartest, they're the most consistent. Step 2. Track every peso or dollar. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. So your next step is to track every peso or dollar that comes in and out. Use an app like Mint, Inab, or even a simple spreadsheet. Don't overcomplicate it. The point is to see clearly what you're earning, what you're spending, and where you can start saving. Clarity is power, and this clarity will fuel every wealth decision you make. Step 3. Build your safety net or emergency fund. Before you invest, before you start side hustles, before anything else, you need protection. That protection is your emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of basic expenses. This acts as your financial safety net, so you don't slide back into debt when unexpected expenses hit. You don't need to save this overnight. Start small. Even 500 pesos or $10 a week adds up faster than you think. Step 4. Kill the high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card debt or payday loans, that's like trying to run a race with a backpack full of rocks. You can't build wealth when interest rates of 20% or more are working against you. Here's the method. List your debts from smallest to largest. Pay the minimum on all, but put extra money toward the smallest balance first. As each one is paid off, roll that payment into the next. This debt snowball gives you momentum and frees up cash to invest. Step 5. Increase your multiple stream of income. Now that your foundation is solid, it's time to grow. And the fastest way to build wealth isn't cutting expenses, it's increasing income. This means exploring side hustles like freelancing, tutoring, or consulting, selling digital products or content, starting a small service-based business, or even a part-time online gig. Remember, every extra $100 or 5,000 pesos you earn isn't just more spending money. If invested, it could grow into tens of thousands over the years. Step 6. Automate savings and investments. Wealth builders don't rely on willpower, they rely on systems. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment account. That way, saving and investing happen without you even thinking about it. Start with what you can, even 10% of your income. As you earn more, increase it to 20% or even 30%. Think of it this way: pay yourself first and live on what's left. Step 7. Invest early and consistently. Here's where real wealth grows: investments. Your money should be working harder than you. Depending on your risk tolerance, this could mean index funds or ETFs, real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or even small business investments. The key is consistency. Invest regularly, whether the market is up or down. Remember, compounding is your best friend. 5,000 pesos or $100 invested monthly can grow into millions over a few decades. Step 8. Protect your wealth. Once your wealth starts growing, you need to protect it. That means getting health and life insurance, creating a will or estate plan, and avoiding risky get-rich-quick schemes. True wealth isn't just about growing money. It's about keeping it safe for you and your family. Step 9. Build wealth for freedom, not just riches. Here's something most people miss. Wealth is not about fancy cars or mansions. It's about freedom. The freedom to choose how you spend your time. The freedom to retire early. The freedom to say yes to opportunities and no to toxic jobs or people. So as you build wealth, remember to align it with your values. Let's recap the steps quickly. Reset your mindset. Track your money. Build an emergency fund. Pay off debt. Increase your income. Automate savings and investing. Invest consistently. Protect your wealth. Build for freedom. Follow this system, and you'll move from zero to wealth, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps this video reach more people who are also starting their wealth journey. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Freedom Years Project and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video on building financial freedom, creating multiple income streams, and designing the life you want. Before we go, make sure to download your free Wealth Starter Blueprint. It's a printable tracker where you can map out your emergency fund, debt payoff, savings goals, and investments step by step. Think of it as your first tool on the road to financial freedom, simple, actionable, and designed to keep you consistent. The link is in the description below, so grab your copy today and start putting these steps into action. Because remember, the best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The next best time is today. Your freedom years start now.